everybody, welcome. It's Rainbow Sensei Mobile class today, hey, and we're gonna be rating fairy tale characters because my YouTube channel is actually based off of fairy tale. If you didn't know that, that's why I wanted to create my own guild. It is my one of my favorite animes, and I know a lot of people hate it, but yeah. So let's see, who is my top tier favorite person of them all? Some of these people I don't know, so I'm probably just gonna be rating the people I do know. Because some of these people probably haven't seen it yet. So I'm gonna put you right here. I probably should put uh, the best. There we go. Okay. So Urza is my favorite of them all. He's also one of my favorites. I might as well just put all the main characters on there, cause you know I'm going to have to. He's meh. She's meh as well. He's he is. Mm, I'm gonna put not bad. Okay, he's not the worst. She's one of my favorites. He's one of my favorites. He is. He's not bad. I mean, I wouldn't say he's my favorite. Juvia. I mean, she's a kind of a like. Don't get me wrong. I love Juvia, but at the same time, uh, you are my favorite. So you're not bad. Okay, let's see. You are my favorite. You're okay. You are my favorite. Let's see. You are also my favorite. Um, you know what? You're my favorite too. I'm gonna say you're okay as well. You're the worst. You're the worst. You are not bad. You're not bad either. Didn't really see much about you yet. I'm gonna put you right there. I'm gonna put you like right there. Let's see. Oh, Romeo. I love Romeo. You. I'm gonna say that you're. I mean, I don't hate you, so I guess I'll put you like right there. The master, of course. I cannot hate him. He's the master, of course. Um, you know what? You're the best. I'm sorry. People are gonna hate me for him. I'm just gonna put you like at okay. I'll put you at meh. Let's see. Do I know any of these characters? Oh yeah, I know him. I'm putting him as a meh actually. She's gonna be okay. He's gonna be okay right there. It'll be okay. It's gonna be like meh. I mean, I feel like you're not bad, so I'll put you right there. So let's see. I don't know the rest of these characters yet, but so here is my fairy tale list of characters. Let's see if I want to make any changes. Uh, nope. I think those are good right now. Try to make sure I don't know any of these characters. Yeah. I don't think I do. Anyways, this is my fairy tale rating list. I think the next one I might do is Interspaces review. So if you'd like to see that, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell on your way up so you never miss a video. Also, tell me who your favorite fairy tale character is, because mine is Urza. I love her. She's the best. I don't know, I just like women with swords. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Love you all.